So the foot is composed of 7 tarsal, 7 tarsal, 5 metatarsal, and 14 phalanges. Now, unlike the carpals, the tarsal doesn't really have a basic arrangement. So these are the basic the 7 tarsals. Talus is the first one. Talus. Calcaneus is your heel. So the question is this: is that which tarsal does the tibia or the fibula connect with? And the answer would be the talus. Now, if you look at the talus versus the calcaneus is the humongous. So this is the calcaneus right here. So this is the calcaneus. It is by far the largest of the tarsal, and the reason why is it bears the most weight. So all the weight comes down onto the calcaneus. The next one is going to be called a cuboid. If you look at the shape of the cuboid, it looks like a cube shape. And the next one next to it, more medial to it, is going to be called navicular and if you look at the shape of the navicular, it's more rectangle. Now, the remaining 3 are the cuneiform, but they are named based on locations where they are found at. So you have the lateral cuneiform, you have the intermediate cuneiform sits in between, and the medial cuneiform, which is inside it. So the 3 cuneiform are lateral cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, and medial cuneiform. Now do keep in mind is that the medial cuneiform is on the same side as the hallux or the big toe. So unlike the thumb, the big toe is more medial than the small toes, whereas the thumb is more lateral to the pinky. For the metatarsal, for the metatarsal is also named the same way, metatarsal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but metatarsal 1 is on the same side as the big toe, metatarsal 2, metatarsal 3, metatarsal 4, and the last one would be the wrong location. Once again, let me repeat this. 1, I was just too into this. So metatarsal 1, metatarsal 2, metatarsal 3, metatarsal 4, and metatarsal 5. So I'm going to erase my mistake. So these, I'm going to erase the metatarsal 1 and metatarsal 2 and so on. So instead, let's go back to the correct one. Metatarsal 1, metatarsal 2, metatarsal 3, metatarsal 4, and metatarsal 5. So the question I would ask you on the exam would be, metatarsal 1 is blank to metatarsal 5. And the answer should be medial. Now keep in mind this, similar to the metacarpal, the metatarsal is aligned or on the same side with the hallux, which is the big toe. And the same goes for the metacarpal. It's on the same side as the pollex, which is the thumb. Now for the phalanges, there are 14 phalanges, but do keep in mind is that all toes except the first one, the big toe, so all toes have 3 phalanges except the big toe. So 1, 2, the big toe has 2. All small toes have 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So once again, it says, okay, so it's the same arrangement as the fingers and the thumb. Okay, so the question is for the hand. All fingers have 3 phalanges. The answer would be correct. All digits of the hand have 3 phalanges. The answer would be incorrect because the thumb only has 2 phalanges and the middle phalanx is absent in the thumb. So now going into the digits of the foot. All digits of the foot, with the exception of the hallux, have 3 phalanges. True or false? Correct. So all toes except the big toe have 3 phalanges. Correct once again. So the big toe only has 2 phalanges, which means it's missing the middle phalanx.